Hello all, today we will discuss on the step-by-step process for legacy transfer migration, that is LMTC in S4HANA. When we are implementing SAP S4HANA solution, we can migrate our master data and business data from SAP systems or non-SAP systems to SAP S4HANA by using SAP S4HANA Migration Cockpit. The SAP S4HANA Migration Cockpit uses migration objects to identify and transfer the relevant data. A migration object describes how to migrate data for a specific business object to SAP S4HANA. It contains information about the relevant source and target structures, as well as the relationships between these structures. It also contains mapping information for the relevant fields, as well as any rules used to convert values that are migrated from source fields to target fields. SAP provides a predefined migration object that you can use to transfer your data. The tool used to perform migration is LTMC, Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit. You can access the SAP S4HANA Migration Cockpit by using Transaction LTMC. Understanding SAP S4HANA Migration. What is LTMC? The Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit, LTMC, is SAP's powerful tool for migrating master data and business data from SAP or non-SAP systems to SAP S4HANA. It uses migration objects to identify and transfer relevant data, containing information about source and target structures, field mappings, and conversion rules. Access LTMC using transaction code LTMC in your SAP system. Migration objects. A migration object describes how to migrate data for a specific business object to SAP S4HANA. It includes source and target structure definitions, relationships between structures, field mapping information, value conversion rules. SAP provides predefined migration objects ready to use. The tool used to perform migration is LTMC, Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit. You can access the SAP S4HANA Migration Cockpit by using Transaction LTMC. Benefits of LTMC are as below. Times easier processing and uploading data in the system. Times recording step is eliminated. Times no more consultant dependency to upload data. End user can also use this functionality. Times functionality can be used through Fiery app. Times user-friendly navigation. Times ease in filling the templates. Times reusability. Getting started, creating your migration project. Launch LTMC. Enter transaction code LTMC in SAP Easy Access. The LTMC web page or Fiery app will open. Create new project. Click Create to start a new migration project. The system will display the project creation dialog. Configure project. Provide a project name, example, master data, select transfer data from file, and set data retention time, default, 1 day. Generate mass transfer ID. The system generates a unique mass transfer ID, example 001. For quality to production transfers, use identical IDs in both systems. Selecting and preparing migration objects. Search for objects. Use the search bar to find your desired migration object, example material. The system displays available objects with their documentation and characteristics. Select the required object and click Open. The system will copy the migration object to your project. Download template. Click Download template to receive an Excel XML file. This pre-configured template includes field list sheet, overview of all fields with data types and requirements. Data sheets, separate sheets for different data structures, basic data, plant data, etc. Maintenance status settings, screen activation configuration. The template clearly marks mandatory fields and provides detailed field descriptions. The 7-step migration process. Upload file. Upload your completed Excel template with all required data. Activate. Activate the uploaded file to prepare for transfer. Start transfer. Initiate the data transfer process. Validate data. System validates data integrity and completeness. Convert values. Map and convert source values to target format. Simulate. Test the migration without affecting production data. Execute import. Complete the final data import. Each step includes built-in validation and error handling. The system provides detailed notifications at every stage, allowing you to identify and resolve issues before proceeding. Troubleshooting. 403 Forbidden error. Common issue when accessing LTMC. The 403 forbidden service cannot be reached error commonly occurs when data migration cockpit services are not activated. This prevents LTMC from loading properly. Identify the service. The service name appears in the URL of the error page. For LTMC, the service is typically DMC_WDA with path SAP BC Webdon Pro SAP DMC_WDA. Access SIGF transaction. Run transaction code SIGF in your SAP system. Navigate to the service path or paste the URL path directly into the service path field to locate it quickly. Check service status. Hover over the service to see if it shows as service inactive. The service must be active for LTMC to function properly. Activate the service. Right-click on the service and select Activate Service. Choose Yes with tree icon to activate the service and all its subservices simultaneously. Rerun LTMC. Execute transaction LTMC again. The data migration cockpit should now load successfully. If issues persist, log out and log in before retrying. Slide 11. Essential services for data migration. 3 critical services must be active for full LTMC functionality. Contact your basis team to activate all services simultaneously and configure proper security authorizations. Post-migration validation. After a successful data import, thorough validation is crucial to ensure data integrity and system functionality in SAP S/4HANA. This multifaceted process confirms that all migrated data is accurate, complete, and fully operational. Data accuracy verification. Compare critical data fields against source system records to identify discrepancies. This includes master data and transactional data. Data completeness checks. Confirm that all expected data objects, records, and attachments have been successfully migrated. Use reconciliation tools and reports. Functional business process testing. Key business users execute core transactions and workflows, example, order to cash, procure to pay, to validate system behavior. Reporting and reconciliation. Generate and compare financial, inventory, and other operational reports between the old and new systems to ensure consistency. Performance and user acceptance testing, UAT. Assess system performance under typical load and obtain final user sign-off on the migrated data and processes. This comprehensive validation minimizes risks and ensures a smooth transition to the new S/4HANA environment.